When cold weather is on the way, you may not want to ride your e-bike as often, or at all. If that sounds like you should know how to keep your battery safe while in storage. A well-maintained battery will ensure that your e-bike functions properly when you're ready to ride again. Here are 3 tips for storing your e-bike and its battery for the winter. Number 1, store indoors. We don't mean just any indoor space. Your Magnum lithium-ion battery is best stored in a cool, dry, and temperature-controlled area. Keep it away from high humidity and frequent temperature changes. We recommend cleaning the battery terminals with rubbing alcohol and a soft cloth to remove any built-up residue. This is a great time to clean the rest of your e-bike too. Number 2, storage temperature. Magnum batteries should be kept in an ambient room temperature between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Long exposure to extreme temps, either cold or hot, can cause battery cells to deteriorate. Number 3, check your charge. While it's in storage, check and charge your Magnum battery periodically. A battery stored at 100% for the winter can degrade the cells over time, and if your battery dips to 40% or below, your charger may not be able to recognize any charge in your battery. This is called sleep mode. So it's best to charge the battery to 75 to 85% capacity every 2 months while in storage to prevent the cell degradation or sleep mode. To get the most accurate reading of your battery, check the charge on the bike display rather than the battery lights. If you follow these steps, your battery will maintain a healthy life and be ready to ride when you are. If you have any more questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer support team or visit our website, magnumbikes.com. Like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.